Okay, so let's bring this back to the TED Talk and Joe Cowan. And what was his fear again? What was he scared of? Stage fright, which is completely normal. I think a lot of people get stage fright. It doesn't come easily. But can you remember how he overcame his stage fright? What did he do?
He wrote songs.
Yeah, he wrote songs. About what specifically? About stage fright. Yeah, so he wrote songs about stage fright. What else can you remember about the TED Talk? Very quickly, just in your pairs, what can you remember about the TED Talk? What else did he say? What else did he do? Okay. 2 minutes, go. I think it's like healing, sharing something that actually everyone has, probably, at least initially. There's hope for you, Abdulaziz. There's hope. How old are you now? You've got time. It's like a shared experience, isn't it?
And he wanted to share
That's good stuff.
his fear to others.
But here we've got 6 statements about the TED Talk. In fact, it's part of a summary, okay? So what I would like you to do in your pairs is to put those statements in the correct order in which they happened, okay? So just maybe just on a piece of paper, write down maybe number 3 is the first one, maybe number 5 is the first one. But read through, what do you think the correct order is? How much can you remember? Okay, are we ready? We're pretty confident? Yeah, we'll see. Let's see how similar you are first of all. So let's start with Hyunho and Ayane. Can you give me your order?
315642.
315642. Do you agree with that? No. What's your order, Stefan and Alicia?
631542.
Okay, so some similarities, but a little bit different.
Yes, we agree.
Exactly the same. Great. Marco and Marika?
365. Yeah, sure.
Not sure. Okay, that's fine. And gentlemen? So because the 3 groups are the same. Okay, I'm not going to reveal the answers just yet. We're going to re-watch the TED Talk. And as you're watching it, just bear these points in mind, okay? So I'm going to close that. And then it's going to work for me. There we go.
I have stage fright. I've always had stage fright, and not just a little bit. It's a big bit. And it didn't even matter until I was 27. That's when I started writing songs. And even then, I only played them for myself. Just knowing my roommates were in the same house made me uncomfortable. But after a couple of years, just writing songs wasn't enough. I had all these stories and ideas, and I wanted to share them with people, but physiologically, I couldn't do it. I had this irrational fear. But the more I wrote, and the more I practiced, the more I wanted to perform. So on the week of my 30th birthday, I decided I was going to go to this local open mic and put this fear behind me. Well, when I got there, it was packed. There were like 20 people there. And they all looked angry. But I took a deep breath, and I signed up to play, and I felt pretty good, until about 10 minutes before my turn, when my whole body rebelled and this wave of anxiety just washed over me. Now, when you experience fear, your sympathetic nervous system kicks in. So you have a rush of adrenaline. Your heart rate increases, your breathing gets faster. Next, your non-essential systems start to shut down, like digestion. So your mouth gets dry and blood is routed away from your extremities, so your fingers don't work anymore. Your pupils dilate, your muscles contract, your spidey sense tingles. Basically, your whole body is trigger happy. That condition is not conducive to performing folk music. I mean, your nervous system is an idiot. Really? 200,000 years of human evolution, and it still can't tell the difference between a saber-toothed tiger and 20 folk singers on a Tuesday night open mic? I have never been more terrified until now. So then it was my turn, and somehow I get myself onto the stage, I start my song, I open my mouth to sing the first line, and this completely horrible vibrato, you know, when your voice wavers, comes streaming out. And this is not the good kind of vibrato like an opera singer has. This is my whole body just convulsing with fear. I mean, it's a nightmare. I'm embarrassed. The audience is clearly uncomfortable. They're focused on my discomfort. It was so bad. But that was my first real experience as a solo singer-songwriter. And something good did happen. I had the tiniest little glimpse of that audience connection that I was hoping for. And I wanted more, but I knew I had to get past this nervousness. That night I promised myself I would go back every week until I wasn't nervous anymore. And I did. I went back every single week. And sure enough, week after week, it didn't get any better. The same thing happened every week. I couldn't shake it. And that's when I had an epiphany. And I remember it really well because I don't have a lot of epiphanies. All I had to do was write a song that exploits my nervousness, that only seems authentic when I have stage fright. And the more nervous I was, the better the song would be. Easy. So I started writing a song about having stage fright. First, fessing up to the problem, the physical manifestations, how I would feel, how the listener might feel, and then accounting for things like my shaky voice, and I knew I would be singing about a half octave higher than normal because I was nervous. By having a song that explained what was happening to me while it was happening, that gave the audience permission to think about it. They didn't have to feel bad for me because I was nervous. They could experience that with me, and we were all one big, happy, nervous, uncomfortable family. By thinking about my audience, by embracing and exploiting my problem, I was able to take something that was blocking my progress and turn it into something that was essential for my success. And having the stage fright song let me get past that biggest issue right in the beginning of a performance. And then I could move on and play the rest of my songs with just a little bit more ease. And eventually, you know, over time, I didn't have to play the stage fright song at all, except for when I was really nervous, like now. Would it be okay if I played the stage fright song for you? Can I have a sip of water? Thank you. I'm not joking, you know. This stage fright is real. And if I'm up here trembling and singing, well, you'll know how I feel. And the mistake I'd be making, the tremolo caused by my whole body shaking, as you sit there feeling embarrassed for me. Well, you don't have to be. Well, maybe just a little bit.
Okay, guys, quickly then, compare what you saw just now with your answers. Were you correct in your ordering of the summary of the talk? Do you want to make some changes, maybe? Or are you happy? Does someone want to come up and put them in the correct order for me? Any volunteers? No? Okay, that's fine. So what do we think the first one is then? What number? Number 2? Okay. And then? 2 is in the right place, yeah. Number 3?
5.
4 or 4,
Five.
5?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
More is 4.
4 is correct. So these last two, keep them the same or switch them?
Oh, it's 5.
You think that's fine? You're happy with this?
Yes.
No? Some disagreement? You want to switch those two around, Alicia?
Yes.
Yeah? Hands up if you agree with that. Okay, most of you. Okay. Any other changes before we share the answers? Happy? Alicia?
6 is
6.
You want to change those two? Yeah? Let's see if you're correct. Ready? Yeah! Good job! Excellent, excellent. Okay, so obviously you watched that TED Talk at home previously to aid you with the understanding. But what do you think is the main message of the TED Talk that Joe wants to share? What is his idea that he wants to share with his audience, do you think? What is that message?
It's okay to share your fear with the audience.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay to share your fear. It's okay not to be ashamed of your fear. Maybe embrace it. Absolutely, yeah? Any other ideas?
you can also beat it.
Yeah, you can beat your fear.